Looking for the perfect blend of style and performance? The print gym shirt in action, someone stretching, the fabric moving smoothly. Introducing our new quick dry training tee, breathable, lightweight, and designed for peak performance. Shot of someone running effortlessly, the shirt wicking away moisture. Whether you're hitting the gym or running outdoors, this tee keeps you cool and comfortable. Made from high-quality nylon, it dries fast, so you stay focused. Final, the person smiling after a workout, showing off the shirt. Upgrade your workout wardrobe with the print gym shirt, where fashion meets function.